Welcome to the Nutty Real Estate Professor. My name is Rick Suarez, and I created this site to empower students in their journey towards obtaining their real estate license. Whether it's the sales license or the broker's license, my comprehensive tutoring will help you excel in your studies. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this site. Together, we will make your real estate dreams a reality. Let's get started. All right, so today's lesson is going to be about loan to value. Loan to value is not that hard. It's actually very simple to know. It's just the name tells you everything, right? Loan to value. So all you have to do is get the loan amount and divide it by the purchase price to get the loan to value. This is a ratio, it's called, right? So here is an example. Here's a $300,000 purchase price. The down payment is $40,000, so the loan amount is $260. You take 260 divided by 300, and here is your, let me clean this out for you. Here's the answer, 86.8666, and you just simply round it up to 87%, and that's it. That's going to be your answer. Let's look at an actual problem. All right, here's one right here. A property sells for $400,000 with an $80,000 down payment. What is the loan to value ratio? So you take 400, subtract 80,000, and you end up with $320,000. And then you divide that by the 400, which is the sales price, and this is the loan amount, right? Not that hard. So all you got to do is divide. This is a zero, by the way. 320 divided by 400,000. Boom, it is 0.8 or 80% when you move the decimal to turn it into a fraction. That's it. Not going to get harder than that. Now, you may have a question like the one I'm about to show. Well, let me show it to you clean. There it is right there. There's a 400,000 minus 80,000 equals 320. 320 divided by 400,000, it's 80% loan to value. Now, you may see a problem like this, right, where it makes it a little difficult. So what do we have? The buyer is getting a loan amount of 475,000 with a loan to value ratio of 75. What is the sales price? So let's build this up. So it's sales price, right, times 75% equals 475. But one thing you need to learn in math, when you have a missing component, you just simply divide by what's left. So in this case, we're going to move the 75% over here, and we're going to divide. So it's 475,000 divided by 75%, and this sales price is 633,333. That is the sales price for this property. Let me show it to you clean so you can see it better. There it is right there. Anytime you have a missing component, you just simply divide 475,000 divided by 75%. It's going to give you 633,333. Thank you for watching my videos. To access additional information and resources, kindly click the link provided below in the description. I offer study guides to help you pass the state test. In addition, I wrote a book, and I created a course that shows you the very basics of this business and how to get started. Both being offered at half price with a coupon code for a limited time. Good luck, and may you achieve great things in your real estate career. Until next time, thank you very much.